Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to show you the journaling that I've been doing this last week, the week of Christmas, December 2019. We're almost there and there's just a few pages left in this journal. And this is my Hobonichi A6. Next year we'll be moving into the A5, but let's finish this out. So starting last Sunday, the 22nd, today's Friday, what is today, 28th? I'm all confused, 27th. So this was just the beginning of this week. I put some collage pieces in there. That little piece of tape was ripped out of a Real Simple magazine, and I finished all my wrapping that day, so I just thought that was cute. I don't know why. And then there was the pictures of those cookies I tore out of Real Simple, and that was perfect because we made the gingerbread house on Sunday. Every year we make a gingerbread house, and last year Michael went a little bit off the deep end, and he made templates for the houses so that they fit together perfectly. And this year was a little bit more on the fly. And he was legitimately a little bit worried. He's like, I don't have templates this year. I was like, I think we'll be okay. I think the gingerbread house will be all right. It's slightly lopsided, but guess what? No template and we survived. Wow. That's a good omen for 2020, I think. So I am just journaling about how we did the gingerbread houses, and it was really fun. I don't know, we all have fun decorating it. Maybe us more than the kids. I don't know. They love it. And then I just wrote gingerbread mansion, because last year they both each made one, but this year we made one giant gingerbread house. And then I'm just putting some hearts. Those markers that you see that green one, those are, where are they? I know they're in here. What brand? Bria Reese dual tip markers. I think I got those on super clearance at Hobby Lobby one time, and they're not great. Just to be quite frank about it, they're not great. But I do use them for hearts and I don't know, just general stuff sometimes. And then I was just journaling about how we just kind of finished up the end of the day. I kind of was wrapping presents. I went and checked my P.O. box, and I had happy mail from you guys and postcards, and I'm just overwhelmed with love, basically. I know that sounds so stupid, but I just want to tell you guys how much it means to me that you have reached out, and I also want to tell you that I feel like a real shitheel because I can't contact each one of you. I can't keep up between replying to the comments and sending each one of you something or I'm falling behind, guys. It's a little stressful. I know.
Wah, wah, baby. People love you so much. It's stressful.
No, okay, that sounded even more like an asshole. Never mind. But at any rate, I checked it again yesterday. So I've gotten a bunch of stuff, cards, and you guys it's so funny how you know exactly what you think I would be obsessed with, and I am. Everything you guys have sent me, I'm just completely and utterly in love with. It's eerie. Because we're best friends. So that's just how that is. So I just want to say thank you, and I know it's crappy to do a group thank you. I will try. I will try to get caught up and reach out and whatnot, but I love everything. So if it gets lost and you don't hear from me, it's not because I don't appreciate it and I didn't love it. It's just because I can't keep up. So I always want to respond to you guys' comments because I love talking to you. It's just all piling up now, and I'm trying to tread water. But anyways, sorry, you want to hear about the journaling, not that. God, that's annoying. I love that girl with the kind of zombie eyes, because that's on Monday is when the contractors and the roof guy came out to the house and just laid all that information out on me, and I was like, oh, what's happening? And then those strips of washi were so cute. They came on a package that said special delivery, and then the rainbow washi. And then I go back. Oh, and then I love that You're on a Roll toilet paper sticker. I stuck that underneath because at that point it felt like, wow, we're on a roll with stuff here.
Let's keep on tearing shit up.
So I'm just adding in some watercolor because I didn't realize how much the watercolor actually added to the pages. And I hadn't done that to my last ones. And I really did realize it made a big difference to me. I like that background color. And so for the 24th, I stuck in different stickers. I had that handmade by Jamie G. She sent me a package with this journal that she made, and then this little mini one, and it's like the size of a keychain, but it's a full, like an actual little traveler's notebook. It's so cute. And I fought with my 7-year-old because she thought it was supposed to be hers, but no, sorry. So sad. It's not. I share a lot of things with her. Don't you worry. But it was really cute, and that sticker was on it. And I just journaled about Christmas Eve. I was at work, and so I put in some of these nursing stickers. And I know it sounds like last time that I uploaded, I was like, oh, I gotta go to work tonight. And after I was like editing that, I was like, oh, it probably sounds like I want people to be like, oh, you're a saint. You were working on Christmas Eve. Oh, blah, blah. No, not at all. Like I'm just used to telling you guys my schedule. And it was actually wonderful. Of course, would I rather be home with my family? Yeah, sure. I definitely would. But it was actually really nice. I don't know. Holidays like that at work are actually not that bad. Unless you have a really terrible assignment with a really sick baby and everyone's sad. Like, I thankfully just didn't have that. I had like feeders and growers. So babies that are basically just growing big enough to wait to learn to bottle feed. So they're in isolates and they're teeny tiny. And so I gave them baths, and I put them in Christmas onesies and put Christmas sheets on their beds and gave them little Santa hats. So when Mom and Dad came back, they were really surprised, and they had these little cute Christmas babies all ready for Christmas Eve. So it was just sweet. It was a sweet little night, and I didn't mind it at all. And then we had a wonderful Christmas the next day. So don't cry for me.
Don't cry for me, Argentina!
Sorry. So anyways, yeah. On Christmas, let's see, Christmas, I put in some watercolor, and then I sent a lot of pictures to Walgreens, and I used the Pick Stitch app and did the 4-box one, and then printed out a bunch of pictures in the 4x4 because that makes them like little enough that they kind of fit in my journal. But I just had so many that I wanted to print and put in my journal that I didn't want to use Sprocket paper. So I sped up through this because it was just gluing a lot of pictures. And that's just basically what Christmas was. I just wanted to capture those pictures and stuff. Because they kind of tell the story of our day, really. And it was magical. It was wonderful. The temperature here in Iowa was like 60 degrees. And you see my kids in that sunshine. We took them to the park in the afternoon, and they played, and we all just got fresh air. It was just magical. Ugh. I mean, it would have been wonderful to have snow too, but to be able to go outside and enjoy like a nice breeze and not be cold and play, it was wonderful. Really, really wonderful. And then there's a picture of my husband trying to do the kids climbing wall at the park. Oh, it was fun, guys. We just had a nice day. All the shit is still piled in my family room, boxes, stuff like that. It will wait until tomorrow when we'll just take everything down. And then what I'm doing right now is creating tip-ins from that brown colored paper because I had even more pictures that I wanted to glue in. So basically, there's nothing super creative about this. I'm just gluing a bunch of those pictures onto these so that I can make little fold-out flaps on either side of Christmas. Because I just didn't want to not pick any of the pictures because they were all so cute. And I just wanted all those memories. So if you see that one of me, I took a selfie in my new my new hat. I had my husband and kids got me a new running hat, and it's from the brand Head Sweats. And I have a Sasquatch one now, and that's a new Sasquatch one in like different colors, and I love it. And he got me some patches to go with it and some awesome sunglasses. I was just like running stuff, and I was super excited. So yeah, that's what that selfie is. Generally not too much of a selfie person, but when it comes to documenting a Sasquatch hat, I will take a selfie all damn day. And then I am just reinforcing those tip-ins on either side with either clear tape or with washi tape. Just make sure you do that if you add tip-ins, because you don't want them to tip out. I know. And that was a picture of our little gingerbread house. We set it out on the fireplace so that Santa could see it when he came. And he did. He loved it. And let's see. Just trying to secure in those tip-ins. Look at that. I mean, is this an A6 or is this an 8x11? I'm just making it work, guys. And then these Christmas stickers, I was sent those, and they're so cute. They're like little animals, and they're kind of pink and pastel. So basically this whole entire spread was just pictures and cutouts, and stickers. Sorry, not really creative. And then here for Friday, this was kind of pictures from yesterday and today, but Addie wanted to get her hair cut, so we got about 4 inches cut off her hair, which made it a lot healthier. And Henry just played with Legos and stayed in his pajamas all day long, which is awesome. That's what Christmas break is for, in my opinion. So these little animal faces, do you see those? Oh my God. Lynn from Norway sent them to me with some other Norwegian goodies and amazing postcards. Now it's basically on a list of my top places that I want to visit because it looks incredible. And these little animals I just loved, and I put one that represented Henry. It even had the red glasses, and then one that was supposed to be Addie just because it was kind of cute and silly, kind of giving the side eye, which is, her MO. And then a picture of Addie with her Gizmo watch, because that was her big present, and she's so excited about it. And then I put a picture of a screenshot of all the texts that she sent me. Basically, it's a poop emoji. I love you. I'm hungry. I replied, eat a vegetable. She said no. And then she sent me some recording, and then she said, I'm hungry again. Oh, you guys, I warn you, if you get the Gizmo, that's what you're in for. And then a picture of her getting her hair cut. Up in the corner, that little like resting seal face is supposed to be me. And then there's a picture of my little journaling space. And my kids got me a corkboard map to put up in my journaling space so that I could put pins on all the places that you guys have sent me things from, and cards and messages and Instagram messages. And we had so much fun doing that. I'll have to send you, or I'll have to put up a close-up of all the places I've got in so far. I'm a little bit behind, but now the ones are starting to roll in from further away, which is cool because they're like, where's Norway? Where's Finland? And so we've gotten to find them, and it's really fun. And also places in the United States. I didn't realize how much I needed to work on my geography lessons. But anyways, it's been super, super fun. And I owe that all to you guys. And this is an example of why you haven't seen many videos this week, because with my kids home, it's really all about them. It's hard to get anything done. So I was fixing her journal, which she got tape on, and then she wanted me to write on it. And then that cute little unicorn sticker was from stickers that I got in another Happy Mail postcards set. And so she was obsessed with the unicorns, so I let her have one for her journal. And that's about it. This is a lot of stickers and just kind of documenting with pictures what our relaxing day was like. And that's about it. Can't remember what else I do. Oh, That's my 2020 journal. What I'm having the kids do is write in the weekly setups, because I only journal on the daily pages, but in the weekly setups, I told them that they could write me in notes, they could draw me pictures that I'll put in there every week. So that's what Addie was doing. She was writing her 2020 goals next to the baby Yoda for the first week in January. And Henry's still working on his drawing for me to put in there, but I kind of actually loved that idea. So I'll be able to keep track of their little notes to me all year, which is neat. And if you see, there's only 3 pages or 4 pages left. Cannot believe it, you guys. I'll do a completed flip through. Give me your suggestions on how you want that done. I can't talk through it because we would be here for 3 hours, and none of you want that. Thanks, guys. Bye.